Hello everyone. Today we will explore how to analyze public opinion trends using decision trees and random forests, with a focus on marijuana legalization as our case study. In today's session, we will cover three main areas: interpreting decision trees and random forests, understanding feature importance in predictive models, and implementing these tools using Python. This practical approach will help us understand both the theoretical and applied aspects of our analysis. Looking at the history of marijuana legalization, we can see a dramatic shift in public opinion over time. The General Social Survey began tracking this issue in 1973, when only 19% of Americans supported legalization. By 2018, that number had grown to over 60%. Significant milestones include California's 1996 medicinal legalization and the 2012 recreational legalization in Colorado and Washington. Decision trees offer an excellent way to visualize how different factors influence public opinion on this issue. The General Social Survey provides rich data including age, education level, and political views, which we can use to predict support for legalization. While these trees are great for understanding population-level trends, they may not fully explain individual beliefs. Here's a look at how we implement decision trees in Python using scikit-learn. This code demonstrates the basic setup for creating and visualizing a decision tree classifier. Random forests take our analysis further by combining multiple decision trees, which improves accuracy and reduces overfitting. One key advantage is their ability to measure feature importance, helping us understand which factors most strongly influence public opinion on legalization. This code example shows how to implement random forests in Python, including model training, accuracy assessment, and feature importance calculation. Decision trees and random forests provide powerful tools for understanding and predicting public opinion trends. Feature importance analysis helps identify key factors driving these trends, and Python's scikit-learn makes implementation accessible. The dramatic shift in marijuana legalization opinions demonstrates how these tools can help us understand complex social changes. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more content on data science and technology. See you next time.